We're looking at exam tables in 2025, new, used, and refurbished exam tables. And we've got some of the more popular models here in our showroom today. And for the sake of the video, I've pulled a few drawers out. I've moved a couple high so you can see the difference between the high, low. And we're just going to go through a few different brands, a few different models. Now, the first one here is the oldest one here. This is a Ritter slash Midmark 104. And for anybody that doesn't know, Ritter and Midmark is actually the same company. Ritter was acquired by Midmark, I want to say 15, 20 years ago, almost 25 years ago. So when you hear the term Ritter and Midmark, basically it's going to be the same company, but just different models and different exam tables that they're going to have. And so if you're looking for just a real basic exam table, all the features on exam tables are exactly the same. So you're going to have a pull-out drawer here that's going to have a bucket underneath. You're going to have stirrups, and you're going to have an adjustable top. And then over here, as you can see, you're going to also have the side storage drawers. And then you've always got the pull-out step stool. Sometimes you're going to see a little button in here, which is basically a drawer warmer. So if they're doing OBGYN or certain procedures, but these features here are always going to be standard when it comes to an exam table. Now you have a difference between manual exam tables and power exam tables, and the lower tables to the ground right now are what they call compliant, and that's just basically because they sit 18 inches off the ground. So a lot of practices are opting for more of a table that's going to be a power table. And like with an urgent care, maybe have 3 or 4 regular tables, and then you've got a couple power tables. And you can see over here as we go to our back row, these are Ritter Midmark 623s, and these sit 18 inches off the ground. And we also have the Brewer 6501 tables that are the power tables. I've got one in a high position over there. That one also sits 18 inches off the ground. So basically what that means is that anybody getting on and off the exam table does not have to use a stool. And it makes it very easy for a practitioner to be able to set them up, bring them up. You can see they'll come either with hand controls or foot controls. And in some cases, they'll have both. But if you're looking for power chairs, that's really the biggest difference between a manual and a power chair and a modern day one. Like, we don't sell the old ones because they've got hydraulics in them. They break down more, and they haven't really made them in at least 10 years, so it's not that big a deal. But with the electric tables, they're a lot more reliable, much more durable. This table right here is the Midmark 404. Also really good table, very popular. And then behind, we've got some more 104s. And then, of course, we've got the Ritter 204, which we just had a couple reupholstered in pink that are going to an OBGYN clinic. But the exam tables are used a lot for OBGYN, dermatology, general medicine, urgent care, sometimes surgery centers, depending on what they're doing. So if you're looking for used refurbished exam tables in 2025, we ship these all over the United States. We ship them all over the world. And then we also do the patient monitors, the EKGs, the Wilchallen otoscope, ophthalmoscopes. We have all the accessory pieces as well. We basically can outfit the entire practice and then have the mini stools, the Mayo stands, everything that's going to be needed for that particular practice. So if you're looking for used refurbished exam tables in 2025, give us a call. We also reupholster all these. So as you can see, you can pick out any one and say, I want this, gray, I want it green. You pick out the color, we can get them reupholstered. We do in-office delivery. So for used exam beds, the term used exam beds or exam beds, an exam table, basically the same thing with just 2 different adjectives attached to it. But we're able to provide these, ship these anywhere in the United States. And then we also do the ENT chairs and other medical equipment. So if you're looking for refurbished exam beds, refurbished exam tables, we also sell them new. We sell new ones from Clinton, Midmark, Ritter. So if you want them new, we can also sell them brand new. Obviously, probably a little better value, perhaps, maybe used. But if you've got the money and you want brand new stuff and you want it to feel good, we can help you out with that as well. Usually requires about a 60 to 90 day lead time from the time that order is placed until the actual product is delivered. So give us a call. If you're looking for exam beds, exam tables, we also sell, like, we've got Brewer, Clinton, UMF, and then, of course, Ritter and Midmark being the premier brand. Ritter and Midmark is by far probably the biggest company out there that does these, but we get them in literally by the hundreds. Our back warehouse right now is completely full. So if you need them, we can get them reupholstered, get them delivered, get you up and running with your practice. Give us a call. San Diego, California, 858-263-4894. Richmond, Virginia, 540-327-7376. And again, we're looking at exam tables, various exam table models, some of the features, specifications, and more. Hospital Direct Medical, USA MedBed. Give us a call, more information, and thanks for watching our video.